Hey guys, so it's been about 3 years since I tore my ACL, and it's New Year's Eve today. Anyways, first 2 months I was on wheelchair and crutches and all that for a while, but I didn't have a surgery. It was complete ACL tear, and then LCL, MCL, the ones on the side were almost completely torn as well. Not completely, but the ACL was complete tear. Meniscus was torn on 2 sides. I did not have a surgery, and feel not bad. I can run, I can squat, I can do the stairs, can do a lot of stuff. Check out my other videos, but just want to show you how I do my morning runs. Anyways, doing pretty good. Let me know if you did surgery and what your situation is. Check out my other videos.